Okay, so now we have to expose our Linux API headers again. Okay, and we want to say make more proper. Cleans out any old source trees we may have laying around, but we just extracted it. Nothing so, but it's always a good idea to do this. If you, like I said in the previous, screw up on a config, okay, we're making your kernel. If you screw that up, you can start fresh by doing mr proper. Make install header path equals destination headers underscore install. Does not take long at all. Less than 1 SBO. Okay. We'll see if we can get out of the dark on this one. Okay. Clear. Find. Dest. Include. Escape. Encapsulate. To run escape in there. Space. Not 2, just 1. Name. Dot install. Dash o dash name. Dot install. Dot cmd. Space. Pop out with a space. And delete. Okay. Copy. Cursor for both. Just include all to user. Include. Cool. Okay, that is done. Now I'm going to remove my Linux kernel quietly. Okay. tar xvf man pages. Man pages. I want to see something. Grep Linux. Up one. Okay. It's found to be a coincidence that every time I extract a file, it gets done removing the file. I don't know. A little tired. Okay, in man pages, all we have to do is make install. Done. Okay. Now, glibc, this is a big one. Well, bigger one. Okay. Let's tar xf glibc tar gz. Okay, 16.3 SBUs. For me, that's, what is that? Some number I don't know the crunch right now. glibc. Almost half of 16. 80 minutes, okay. I need to say patch. mp1-i glibc 221 fhs patch. Let me say sed e ia 32 s caret 1 stop. Let's check that out. Also sed e ss e2 with s caret 1 stop. Throw it. Okay. The input file is sys debs I386 I686 multi-arch mem pcopy underscore check dot s. Make directory verbose glibc build. Open the glibc build. Run glibc configure prefix equals user now. Okay. Disable profile. Enable kernel equals 2.6.32. Enable obsolete -RPC. Okay. Alright, so it says here we need to issue make, and here is what I'm talking about, the critical tests. These will pop out. There's about 4 or 5 of them. Okay, this is one of them. It says important. In this section, the test suite glibc is considered critical. Do not skip it under any circumstances. Okay. So let's say make and make check.